In this video, I'll show you how to easily update your Zoom link in Calendly so all your virtual meetings stay seamless. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Start by logging into your Calendly account and heading to the Integrations and Apps menu on the left side of your screen. This is where you manage all connections with other services including Zoom. Scroll through the list and click on the Zoom icon to begin updating your link. Before adding a new Zoom account, you need to disconnect the existing one. Don't worry, it's simple. Click on Disconnect, confirm the action, and this removes the previous connection, clearing the way for your new Zoom details. Next, it's time to connect your new Zoom account. You can choose Connect Zoom for myself for a personal account or Connect Zoom for my organization if it's a group account. Follow the prompts to log in and authorize the connection. This ensures your new Zoom link is properly linked to Calendly. And that's it. Your Zoom link is now updated, so all future meetings will connect to the correct virtual room. This prevents any confusion for you or your attendees and keeps your scheduling running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.